Hey, what's up everyone? Reactor here and welcome to my channel. So, a lot of people comment on my channel saying what a genius I am. And what I'm thinking is I could take an IQ test and show you guys my IQ, because a lot of people leave comments saying I have a high IQ and stuff. So I figured I could make a video where I take an IQ test. But before I get into that, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and turn on notifications for a chance to win an Amazon gift card. I'll be announcing the winner on Twitter, so don't forget to follow me if you want to see who the winner is. So like I was saying, a lot of people leave me comments saying I'm a genius. So I figured I could take an IQ test and show you guys in a video like me actually taking the test. So then we'll know for sure how smart I am. So I'm going to go to Google and type in IQ test free. Okay. All right, so found some free IQ tests, and let's take the classic IQ test. All right, so looks like as soon as I answer this, a 10-minute countdown is going to start, and let's see what happens. Okay, the first question says, which answer expresses the meaning of the specified word best? Best of the specified word best. Reassuring. Compassionate, comforting, explanatory, meddlesome. It's not meddlesome, I don't think. When you show compassion, you reassure someone. So, yeah. All right. Which number logically follows this series? 4, 6, 9, 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9, minus 3 is 6. Then 6 plus 7 is 14, minus 7 is 6. Why 3 and 7? Why are they using 3 and 7? There's 4 more. 7 has 4 more numbers than 3. So they added 4. And you add 4 to the original number. So 7 plus 4 is 11. So 6 plus 11 is 17. Shit, that took me a long time though. Which of the figures in the bottom row should logically be in the spot of the question mark in the top row? 4, 3, 2, 1. Two. What comes after 4 stars? 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this should be 5 stars. But there is no 5 stars. Okay, what am I missing? Oh my god. One, 2, 3, 2, 1. So this one turns into 1. And this one turns into 2. And then the 4 stars stay the same. Which conclusion follows the statements with absolute certainty? None of the stamp collectors is an architect. All of the drones are stamp collectors. None of the stamp collectors is an architect. All of the drones is stamp collectors. So all of the drones is not a stamp collector. All the drones are stamp collectors. No. All the drones are stamp collectors. None of the stamp collectors is an architect. So none of the stamp collectors is an architect? Oh no, it already says that. None of the stamp collectors is an architect. So none of the architects are stamp collectors. That's what it says. None of the architects are stamp collectors. All of the drones are stamp collectors. All of the no. Architects are not drones. No. Stamp collector are drones. No stamp collectors are drones. All stamp collectors. All the drones are stamp collectors. But no stamp collectors are drones. What does the resulting cube look like if you fold this cube together? So this becomes a side, this becomes a side, this one's on top, this one's on top, like this, and then you have 7, 4. 7, 4, and the top. What is the correct answer to the following problem? Tom has a new set of golf clubs. Using a club 8, the ball travels an average distance of 100 meters. Using a club 7, the ball travels an average distance of 108 meters. Using a club 6, the ball travels an average distance of 114 meters. How far will the ball go if Tom uses a club 5? So it went 100 meters plus 8 is 108 meters. Then 8 plus something makes 14. 114 minus 108. 114 minus 108. Don't have a lot of time. 114 minus 108 equals 36. So there's a difference of 36. $114 minus 108 equals 6. 6. There's a difference of 6. That's not that much. Okay. Tom has a new set of golf clubs. 8. So 108 then to 114. How far? So add 6, 120. There's a difference of 6. So 114 plus 6. One, 4 plus 6 equals 120. Which answer expresses the meaning opposite of that of the specified word best? Tough. The opposite of tough. Cowardly. Water is to a pipe as question mark is to a wire. Water, pipes get water on them. So yeah, pipes get wet and wires get hot. Which of the meanings is best fitting for the specified word? Displeasure. Which of the meanings is the best fitting for the specified word? Displeasure. Injustice, complaint, futile, sin, discord. Displeasure, injustice. Injustice, displeasure. That's displeasure, right? Injustice and displeasure. Nobody likes injustice. Which of the following figures can be composed from the loose parts? The loose parts. Okay, we got an L, a square, and this shape. L, square, and that shape. Okay. I am male, 28. United States, high school. All right, results of your IQ test. You have answered. What? Is this like. That can't be right. You have answered 0 of the 10 questions correctly. That's bullshit. You guys watched me answer them. You saw me picking the right answers. That indicates an IQ score of 54. Wait a minute. $54? This can't be right. The vast majority of people in the United States have IQs between 80 and 120, with an IQ of 100 considered average. To be diagnosed as mental retardation, a person must have an IQ below 70 to 75. Fuck. What? No. That can't be right. If my IQ is 54, according to this, I'm mentally retarded. And I know I'm not. So, I think I know what happened. This is the classical intelligence test, and I should have taken the culture fair intelligence test. So, that was something's wrong with that test because it's not culturally fair. So I'm going to take this one instead. I'm going to take this IQ test because something's wrong with the other one. Okay. And this one doesn't have a timer, so that's easier. Which figure logically belongs on the spot of the question mark? Line. 1 line. 2 lines. 3 lines. But it could be this one or this one. Wait. Three lines. And then it's got 2 boxes and 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 of them. But also 3 lines. Question 2. Which figure logically belongs on the spot of the question mark? We've got uncolored, colored, colored, okay, we got 3 boxes, 3 circles, and 2 boxes with 5 sides. So it's probably a box with 5 sides. Which figure logically belongs on the spot of the question mark? We've got a cross, cross. We have lines that are intersecting. We have lines that are crossing each other, but all of these are lines that cross each other. So it starts here at the top, then it goes to the middle, then to the bottom. And then top, middle, bottom. Okay, so we're definitely gonna have a cross. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, logically belongs on the spot of the question mark. We have 9 of them, 4 of them, 1 of them. 9, 4, 1. 9, 4, 1. We have a diagonal line, a straight line, and then so it's turning counterclockwise. This one is turning counterclockwise also. So this one goes like that, and then it'll be straight up. All right. Logical belongs on the spot of the question mark. Okay, we have 4 green dots, but these ones don't have 4 green dots, so this one probably doesn't, so we can count these ones out. We've got a star and a star. A triangle and a triangle. A triangle and a triangle. Then we have a box triangle and a box triangle. Okay, this one, we have 2 X's, then they move over, and then they move over again, and move to the next level, and they continue on, to the next level, to the next level. After this one is going to go here, and this one is going to go down 1 level, but it can't, so it's going to go up 1 level. So we're going to have 1 here and 1 here. Okay. Now we have 1 white one and the rest are black. We have 1 light one and the rest are dark. And we have 1 light one and the rest are dark. Then we have 2. So it's like the light ones get added up. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 light ones. I'm going to need 4 light ones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Male. 28, United States. All right. This should be your free test results. The free culture was rather short. For an accurate estimate of your IQ score, a longer and much more elaborate IQ test is required. Based on your performance on the IQ test, we estimate that your IQ score lies within a range of 53 up to 55. No. These are broken. That doesn't make sense. If that's my IQ, it means I'm mentally retarded, and that can't be right. The vast majority of people in the United States have IQs between 80 and 120, with an IQ of 100 considered average. To be diagnosed as having mental retardation, a person must have an IQ below 70 to 75, i.e. significantly below average. No, this is bullshit. This test isn't right. You guys watched me put in the right answers, and this test is claiming that I have a 54 IQ. I mean, 53 up to 55? This can't be right. Okay. Okay, maybe 54 is not bad? I know I'm not retarded. So 54 can't be that bad. Let's see where I would rank in the world. Like, IQ... Like, 54 can't be that bad. IQ... scores by country. $108 is Hong Kong. 98? That's almost twice as much as me. Whoa. Mine's not even on. Looks like I would be in Africa. 65 and below. That's where Africans live. So, I guess I probably get my genetics from Africa. I guess everyone... Actually, it's been proven, I heard, that humans came from Africa. So this isn't actually unusual. Obviously, I'm going to have like some genes from Africa. I could also be from the Caribbean or something. So it looks like, yeah, I belong in the Caribbean or Africa. Yeah. You know what it is? I think the cultural fair intelligence test and the classical one are both biased. Because they don't account for people like me. That's the only explanation I can... I mean, unless this whole website is wrong. Anyways, that's it for the video. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter for the gift card giveaway. And I'll see you next time.
Fancy pants, big city food critics dine out every night, I suppose.
Wait a minute. They can't put this. If under 75 is mental retardation, they're basically saying that all of these countries are mentally retarded. They're calling Africa mentally retarded. That's racist.